We're back at it again after 2 weeks. We had a lot of downpours yesterday and now we're getting windy conditions. I think these are the hour bands of the storm we got yesterday. So we're in Good Friday right now. And it's windy again. Yeah, this happens with a lot of storms where it rains the one day and then it gets windy the next because the storm is trying to exit out of here. So this starts my Easter weekend and the weekend before I leave for Disney on Wednesday. And I'm staying till the 7th. And then, surprise, surprise, I'm going back to Albany on the 13th for the Best Buddies walk once again. And then on May 2nd through the 6th, I'm going back to Disney. And this was my original May trip that I had planned since June. I'm going in May once again after 2016. Yeah, it just got windy all of a sudden. Yeah, I see some trees swaying over there. Here we go.